Welcome to my channel Learn More English. Welcome to our English learning journey. Let's explore language, stories and growth together. Join us on this exciting adventure.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I wake up early in the morning, usually around 6 a.m. After getting out of bed, I stretch a bit and make my bed neatly. Then I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I toasted some bread and scrambled a few eggs. Once breakfast is ready, I go upstairs to gently wake up my children. I love seeing their smiling faces as they wake up. We all sit down and enjoy breakfast together. After we finish eating, I clean the dishes and tidy up the kitchen. Next, it's time to get the kids ready for school. I help them dress up and pack their school bags. Once they're ready, I drive them to school and wave goodbye as they run into their classrooms. When I get back home, I start the laundry. I sort the clothes into different piles and put the first load into the washing machine. While the machine is running, I sit down to write a shopping list because we need some groceries. I go to the supermarket and pick up everything on my list. When I return home, I put away all the groceries and check the laundry. The first load is done, so I hang the clothes out to dry. After that, it's time to vacuum the living room and dust the furniture. I always feel better when everything is clean and in its place. Then I prepare lunch. Today I made a quick salad and grilled some chicken. I eat lunch while watching a short episode of my favorite show. After lunch, I clean up the kitchen again. And then head outside to water the garden. I spend some time weeding the flower beds too. In the afternoon, I pick up my children from school. We come home and I help them with their homework. It's great to see them learning and growing every day. Once homework is done, I start preparing dinner. Tonight, I make spaghetti and meatballs, a family favorite. I set the table and soon we're all enjoying dinner together. After dinner, we wash the dishes as a team. We spend the evening playing board games, which is a lot of fun and a nice way to end the day. Before bedtime, I tuck my children in and read them a story. Finally, it's time for me to relax. I read a book in bed before falling asleep. What a busy but fulfilling day.